Fact is, Thorngrove is a very good place to live in. Do you know why? Because already it is established and it is only 15 minutes drive from Kitengela. So imagine Kitengela town, how many years has it taken to develop this fast? Around kitu kama miaka 7 8 Kitengela isha grow. Now Thorngrove within the next 2 years is going to be the best estate to live in around this area. So guys, for only 950,000, we are giving you an opportunity to own a 50 by 100 plot in Thorngrove, Kitengela. What are you waiting for? Plus, you're going to pay this within a whole year. Imagine, lipo pole pole for 1 year. What are you waiting for, good people? It is time to invest in Thorngrove, and we are going to take you on a free site visit. All you need to do is to contact the number below here, reserve your place. Kumbuka ni bure, tunakupeleka one. Thorngrove ni ile place. Thorngrove Mandhari halisi, mahali ambapo unakaa kwenye balkoni yako na unashika jua. Pazuri sana.